Outside rain. And then next time you get there, I want to change of direction at X. Good. Lift the inside hand close to the neck. Push her out. And then turn right again, dropping her neck a little bit more. Good girl. And then turn left. Push her out. Lift that hand.